Hello everyone, welcome back to my next component. In this video, we'll see how to model hexagonal nut and bolt. First, we'll start with the bolt. For that, first go to the Creo Parametric software. Just close the previous component. Now we'll start with this bolt. For that, first go to New, Solid, Part, untick this use default template, save OK. Here you choose Part Solid Absolute, save OK. First we need to create this hexagonal head. For that, just select this front plane, sketch view. Here there is an option called palette, just click it here. In that palette we have profiles and polygons. In the polygons, simply choose 6-sided hexagon. Just double click this one and place it here. Then close it this one. Then move this to center point and press the roller. Now we can simply delete this one and create a dimension of from here to here. The dimension is, this is M12, so we need to give a diameter of 24. Go for fit screen. Now we have created the hexagon, just say OK. And thickness of this head is 8 mm. Just go for extrude. Just go for symmetric. This one is 8. Say OK. Now we have created this hexagonal head. Then we just want to create a rod. This with the length of 18 plus 34 with a diameter of 12 mm. Just select the surface, sketch view, take a circle, press the roller to confirm. This diameter is 12. Just say OK. Then go for extrude. The total length of the extrusion is 18 plus 34. Just enter it. The total length is 52. Just say OK. Then we just want to create one chamber. For that, just go for the chamber, select this edge. Here we make it 45 into D. This one you make it this one 1. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this chamber also. Then here you can see clearly there is a chamber in this hexagonal head also. For that, you choose the plane. The plane has two sides. One is this side and this side. So we need to choose this plane. Then go for sketch and sketch view. Here we can go for cut plane. Now just take a reference, this edge and this edge, then close it. We are going to cut this chamber by using a revolve cut. For that, use this center line, press the roller to confirm, then take a line, just create one triangle. This both lines are same length. I'm just giving 5. We can go for 3 also. I'm just giving a 3. Just say OK. Then go for revolve. Here you choose option called material removal. This chamber is enough. If you want more chamber, just increase the length of the triangle. Just say OK. Then we need to create a thread. They are not specified the thread dimensions. Now we'll create a manual thread or by using a revolve sweep, by using helical sweep. For that, just select this mid plane, go for helical sweep. Here there is an option called helix profile. Go for define, select this plane, sketch view. Go for a cut section. Now just draw the center line. Because this helix requires a datum center line. Press the roller to confirm. then go for a line. Here we are going to create a line. Before that, just create one reference this, then close it, take a line, create a line just starting away from the point, then press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now our helix profile will start from this point. If you want to change this point, just click this one, this arrow will get changed. Now the thread length is 18 mm, so just go for dimension. From this point to this edge, the dimension is 18 mm. This is, you just keep it some 30. Press the roller to confirm, just say OK. Now we have defined the helix profile. If you want to change the arrow, by clicking this one, we can change the arrow. Now we just want to start the helix profile from this point. Now we need to define the way profile of cutting. We are going to use a triangular thread. For that, the pitch will be also in 1 mm, and make the triangular cut. Here. Just go for sketch and sketch view. Now we need to create a triangle here. Just take a line, symmetric of this one. Inside we need to make a cut, that's why I have created a triangle inside, and this one is 1 mm, and go for equal. This one and this one are equal. Press the roller to confirm. Now just say OK. Now it is generated the triangular helix profile. Now use the option called remove material. Now it is generating the same cut in our material also. Then go for OK. Now we have created a thread, but thread ends with this way. So to remove this way of cutting, just select the surface, go for sketch, sketch view. Now project these lines by using a project options. This one, and this one. Then close it, say OK, then extrude, change the direction. Here we'll make it 2 next, material removal, say OK. So this is the way the thread will end. So now we have created the thread to this bolt. Now we can save this model. Just go for file, save as, save a copy. This is the 4th component. So 4th bolt. Now just from the same component itself we can modify. Now we are going to learn how to create this nut also. For that, just go to file, close. Go for new, part, solid, untick this use default template, say OK. Here choose part solid absolute, say OK. Just select this front plane, sketch view. Here our bolt is same M12 bolt with a 10 mm thickness. Just again go for palette, hexagon, just double click here and place it here, then close it. Just move the center point to center point of this one and press the roller and remove this dimension, and just go for the dimension from this point to this point. The diameter will be 24 because it is M12 bolt, and go for the coincident constraint, make this point to this point coincident. Just say OK, go for fit screen, extrude, make it symmetric, total thickness is 10 mm, say OK. Then we just want to create a hole. Just select the surface, sketch view, take a circle, just create a circle. This one is 12 mm, say OK, then go for extrude, change the direction. Here we make it 2 next, material removal, save OK. Now we have created, then one side here we can clearly see that there is a round. For that we need to choose a plane which has 2 sides. So this plane we need to choose, sketch view, go for cut section. Now we are going to use a revolve tool to create this chamber, round. For that use the center line. Now take a line, any one option we can make. I am going to make it here. Just create a line like this, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. This one you make it 3, save OK, go for revolve, material removal, save OK. Now we have created a chamber. Then we just want to create a inner thread with the same pitch of 1 and height also be 1. For that select this plane or directly go for helical sweep, define, select this plane, sketch it, sketch view. Now just go for cut section. Now we just want to create a thread inside. For that just first create datum center line, press the roller to confirm, then go for reference. This line we need a reference, then close it. Then first create a line. We need to start somewhere away from the point, and here also just make it away. Press the roller to confirm. Just say OK. The pitch will be 1. And go for the section of thread making. The section just go for sketch view. Go for the cut section again. Now we just want to make a material removal of outer side. So that we just want to create a triangle outer side. This way. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. As I said, a equilateral triangle I am going to create. And make all the sides are equal. Use this equal constraint. This one and this one are equal. Now just say OK. Now thread is making. Go for material removal. If you want to change the right hand thread or left hand thread, you can change it. Just say OK. Now we have created a board also. Now we can save this file. Just go for file, save as, save a copy. This is the 5th component, nut. So in this model we have created a flange, we have created a shaft and taper key. In this tutorial we have created bolt and nut also. In next video we will see how to assemble it. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.